If you are searching how to fix the Roblox error message, your Windows 7 system is too outdated, please install kb4534310. So today we are going to fix this issue in some simple steps, all steps you can see on your screen. One question: why this error is coming in your PC? Answer is: your system window file is not updated. You need to update some important file, so let's get started. See all steps, how to fix this error. Step 1. Check your Windows version. The first step to fixing the Roblox error message is to verify which version of Windows 7 you're currently running, because this information will be useful in ensuring that you download the correct update files. To check your Windows 7 version, navigate to the Start menu and right-click on Computer or My Computer, then select Properties from the drop-down menu. This will open the System Properties window, where you can find the system type 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows 7. Step 2. Now download kb4534310. For this, go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website and search for kb4534310 in the search bar. Be sure to select the appropriate version for your system type 32-bit or 64-bit before clicking on the download button. Once the download is complete, you'll need to install the update. Double-click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Step 3. Install the update. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. You may be prompted to restart your computer after the installation is complete. It's important to note that this update can take some time to install, so be patient and allow the process to complete. Step 4. Verify the update. After restarting your computer, you'll want to verify that the update has been successfully installed on your system. To do this, open the control panel and click on Programs and Features. This will display a list of all the installed programs on your system. Scroll through the list and look for the update kb4534310. If you can see it, this means the update has been successfully installed on your system. Step 5. Open Roblox now. It's time to try opening Roblox again. This time, you should no longer receive the error message. Your Windows 7 system is too outdated. By using this method, you can easily fix this error and you can easily get back to playing your favorite games. It's important to remember that keeping your operating system update. Thanks for watching this video.